If you ever spend hours setting up an experiment, calculating sample sizes, picking metrics, defining audiences, only to wait weeks for results that don't move the needle, this one's for you. Hi, I'm Josh Holt, Product Manager at Optimizely. Today, I'll show you what's helped me reduce experiment planning processes from hours into minutes. Most experimentation programs fail before they even start, not because of bad ideas, but because of bad planning friction. Hours go into debating what to measure, which primary and secondary metrics matter, how long should we run the test, which segment should we target first, and then once you spend hours deciding all of that, you're still not sure whether the metrics you've chosen are actually tied to real business outcomes. You chase significance on page views while revenues stay flat. That's where Optimizely's experiment planning agent changes the game, bringing AI intelligence to one of the most tedious steps in experimentation, planning. It's like an on-demand co-pilot that instantly transforms your hypothesis into a well-structured, launch-ready test plan, listing your target audiences, primary, secondary, and guardrail metrics, how long tests should run to reach stat sig. How do you move from a great idea to a well-planned experiment? I'm back in Optimizely, clicking Ask Opal button and activating the experiment planning agent. I paste in my hypothesis, select the page we're optimizing, and share some additional details for Opal to add to my test plan. We've just eliminated the manual work. The agent is analyzing our hypothesis, considering traffic patterns, and referencing historical data. For most teams, that means saving hours of setup per experiment and scaling from a few test ideas a quarter to dozens without sacrificing rigor. Okay, that was fast. Let's see what I created. Opal is not just structured, it's smart. See the hypothesis, primary metrics, secondary metrics. It's also suggesting some guardrail metrics like bounce rate, page load time, time on page, and errors rates during checkout. I can use the estimate runtime feature to help me calculate how long to run the test. Otherwise, the experiment planning agent can help me determine this and it will add it into the test plan. What would have taken an analyst, a PM, and an engineer an hour of back and forth alignment now happens in seconds. The experiment planning agent is rigorous, accurate, and fast, so your teams can spend less time planning and more time innovating. It's led to a 19% reduction in the time to start a test and a 25% faster run time to reach stat sig. If this has helped you, hit the like button and tell us in the comments how you're using AI tools in your experiment planning process. We'd love to hear how other teams are innovating. And if you're ready to speed up your own testing program, head over to optimizely.com and explore our agents.